The following is a severe weather bulletin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. for Brown and Outagamie counties. At 8:06 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Oconto to near Fremont, moving east at 60 miles an hour. These are very dangerous storms capable of widespread wind damage. Hazard: 80 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. These severe storms will be near Appleton around 8:25 a.m., Little Chute and Kimberly around 8:30 a.m., Carcon around 8:35 a.m. Other locations impacted by severe thunderstorms include Askeaton, Greenleaf, Murphy Corner, Lehman, Lark, Langs Corners, Coonish, Leo Frigo Bridge, Shiocton, and Champion. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown and Outagamie. The following is a